A high-level Qatrai cultural delegation visited the Taxila Museum to further expand cultural relations. The four-member delegation was led by Sheikh Abdul Aziz Al Thani, Director of National Museum of Qatar, along with diplomats from the Embassy of Qatar in Islamabad. The other members of delegation was Muhammad Juma Al Khawri, Director CEO Office, Qatar Museum, Muhammad Ali Khaledi, Logistic Coordinator, General Management, Qatar Museum, Abrick Coleman, Senior Exhibition Project Manager, Art Mill Museum, and Duncan Cap, Executive Director Fine Arts. The visit aimed to strengthen cultural ties and explore opportunities for collaborative projects between the institutions, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of each other's rich heritage. Sheikh Abdul Aziz said that Qatar has planned to exhibit the artifices of Pakistan in various museums of Qatar to showcase the diverse cultural heritage of Pakistan to people living in Qatar. Mr. Aziz said that artifacts from various museums of Pakistan, including Taxila and Lahore Museum, would be selected and would be showcased there from 30 October 2024 to 31st January 2025, which would help not only strengthening the cultural relations between two countries, but Pakistan would also fetch tourists from Qatar.
My name is Abdul. I work as an exhibition manager at Qatar Museums, and specifically working on a large exhibition of a history of art and architecture from Pakistan from 1940s to today, so including a lot of contemporary living artists that are living in Pakistan but also elsewhere in the world. And the exhibition is really the first that looks at nearly 90 years of visual arts mostly and architecture from Pakistan, and that is opening at the end of October at the National Museum in Qatar. And so we're here with the support of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Embassy in Pakistan to strengthen the connections between Qatar and Pakistan, and to look forward to many more opportunities to work together in the future. Thank you, sir.
Anjum Javed Dara, Deputy Director, and Ms. Hammara Naz, Curator of the Taxila Museum, warmly welcomed and briefed the esteemed guests about the museum's display objects. The delegation explored the rich history of the Gandhara civilization, observing the Buddhist heritage in detail and appreciating the dedicated efforts of the Directorate General of Archaeology, Punjab, in preserving this rich heritage. During the visit, they presented some souvenirs to the distinguished visitors.
I really appreciate everything that I've seen so far. We've received amazing hospitality and a very warm welcome from all of the entities that we have visited so far. And we're actually here on a mission to enhance cultural ties as well between our two nations, between Qatar and Pakistan. And we're actually developing an exhibition about modern contemporary art from Pakistan and from the 1940s to the modern day. And we're looking to bring a wide collection, and curating this exhibition will be a guest curator from Pakistan as well. So we want this to be a homegrown exhibition and really showcase the depth of the Pakistani culture. We've only seen the surface level now, but we hope to see more in our upcoming days, and we'll update you then as well.
Well, there is centuries, decades old relation between the Pakistan and Qatar in diplomatic and trade. This is the first initiative for cultural exchange. What do you think that Qatar will support to strengthen the culture exhibition and museum in Pakistan?
Of course, I mean, we are here, and this is evidence of our presence here that we are interested in supporting the cultural ties. As you mentioned, Qatar and Pakistan have a long history of economic and diplomatic and military cooperation, and we are here now to take it to the next level and bringing not only politicians together, but bringing people together.